Hi guys, Aurora here. Today we are going to be reviewing this advanced thermal laminator. I got this from Amazon. I will tell you later how much it cost me. And so what we have here is the laminator itself. So let's turn this thing on. So I just plug it in, turn it on, and when you see the ready, when it lit up to green, it is ready. We can feed some pictures. This laminator came with the cutter, rounder. It also came with 10 4x6 laminator pouch, 10 of this 9x6 pouch. Also came with 10 9x12 pouch. So I have already laminated some yesterday. I had a collage printed from Walgreens, and these are my girls. It has pictures of my mom there and my dad and my husband and the girls. And I want to show you, this is the pictures of me and my husband during our wedding. And I have a pictures of the girls. These are taken the day after, maybe a week after Typhoon Odette back in December. The girls did not have any water and power, but very strong girls. This taken just a week ago. This is what they look now. They grow up so fast. Oh my God. And this pictures is, her name is Alexia Shane. She is my great niece. She was born with congenital heart failure. She didn't make it. She was born around February 2019 and God took her in October 2019. But I get to serve her also. She was with us and she was very happy here. This is before she was hospitalized, and this is when she was already in the hospital. She's a beautiful girl. And pictures of my mom and my dad. This is the last pictures of my mom and my dad together. This was taken right before I went to America, which is in 1999, I believe. My mom passed away 10 years ago. So it would be nice to just save some pictures, and this is the only last pictures I have with them together. So let's go ahead, feed this machine, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera closer so you guys can see. Okay, as you can see, the machine, the green lit up already, meaning it is ready. Now let's go ahead and feed the pictures. So what I do is I want to laminate all 4 of this in one sheets, kind of like save the laminator pouch like that. Okay, me, my mom and my dad, and my little girl Abril and my husband. So let's go ahead and feed this into the machine. All you have to do is just hold it, making sure that nothing misplaced. All right, make sure you centered it. All right. Alright, let's turn off the machine so it doesn't get hot. Now, we have this beautiful laminated pictures of my dad, my mom. Beautiful. I also did put some names so at the back what year it was taken. So the way we use the cutter, so this machine comes with a cutter. If you like the edges, the way the sizes, you can leave it on like that. But if you think it's too big, or it's too much space, you can go ahead and cut it. Just open this like this, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Pinch it down, just hold it down, and then run the blade. This is the blade, and do it fast. There you go. There you go. See there's excess right here. Now we have problem. See that the corner is sharp. This is how you are going to use the rounder. It came with this machine comes with a rounder too. We have to do just insert it, the corner, and kind of like staple it. Boom. Now you have round corner. Do the other side. Here you go. There you go. We have a beautiful laminated pictures. This is very affordable. I believe that was I only paid like $27 with the tax. A lot of the laminator in Amazon, they're like 30 or 60, between $30 to $60. So this one was the cheapest one. And remember, the name is MERECE Advanced Thermal Laminator. So I'm gonna put the link down below. And anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye.